Repairing a hole in your drywall can range from easy to rather complicated, depending on the size of the hole. To determine if you need a patch to repair the hole, use this rule of thumb, or thumb rule. If you can stick your thumb in the hole, then you need to purchase a patch in order to repair it. If you can't, then some spackle and a spackle knife will do the trick. To repair a small hole in drywall, you will need some lightweight, quick-dry spackle, a spackle knife, and a sanding block. When purchasing your spackle, the guide to follow is the smaller the hole, the lighter weight the spackle needs to be. Start with clearing any debris from the hole and sanding it smooth. Take the corner of your spackle knife and get enough spackle to fill the hole, pressing gently onto the wall. Add a little more to your putty knife, smoothing it over the space. You may need to go over the space a few times, but make sure it is a thin layer. Once you have enough spackle and the hole is not noticeable, allow it to dry. Once dry, sand the surface with the sanding block. If necessary, apply a second coat of spackle and repeat the drying and sanding process. Now that it's dry, it needs to cure. Allow 24 hours before priming and painting. For more home maintenance videos and tips, or to schedule your upcoming home inspection, radon, and environmental testing, visit wisconsininspection.com. Tri-County Home Inspection, providing Wisconsin's premier home inspection services.